Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing rental income and taxation here in Thailand. And there are foreigners, especially with respect to condo owners, Thai condo owners, just for some background, notwithstanding the restrictions on foreigners being able to own land, being able to own real estate in Thailand. It is possible under the Thai Condominium Act to own, for a foreigner to have freehold title to a Thai condo. And as I've done another video on, a foreigner could rent that to someone. They could have a rental agreement and earn income from the rent. Next question is, do I have to pay tax on that? Well, yeah. Guess what? You do. And depending on how it's structured, for example, there may be certain aspects of the rental agreement where, furniture is provided, and that may not be rent per se. Structuring a rental agreement for a condo or for property, it can be something of an art in a way in order to be in compliance with Thai tax law, but also try to mitigate some liability so as to benefit oneself a little bit more. Again, I'm not going to get too deep into that, but the long story short is, yeah, you are going to be stuck with a certain amount of rental income tax associated with renting property here in Thailand. Again, it's going to depend on the circumstances. Although it's unlikely you'd see a foreigner with commercial property, it is possible in a condo context, as well as residential. And again, that's going to kind of weigh in as far as what kind of liability one's looking at. I don't really want to get into that. I think this video, it's not really the right place to do that because, frankly, and I know I sound like a broken record, it's going to depend on the specific facts of the given case. But long story short, yes, presume you're going to have to deal with some level of rental income tax associated with renting property. Specifically, what I'm thinking of in a foreigner context is probably going to be a condo here in the Kingdom of Thailand.